Forget compromise. Forget choosing between exhilarating performance and sophisticated luxury. The 2018 Audi RS5 Coupe doesn't ask you to pick, it delivers both in a package so compelling, it might just redefine your expectations of a performance car. This isn't just an A5, this is an RS5, and it means business. A cockpit built for driving. Step inside the 2018 RS5 Coupe, and you're immediately greeted by an environment that blends high-tech functionality with race-inspired aesthetics. The first thing you'll notice is the Audi Virtual Cockpit, a stunning 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster that replaces traditional gauges with a customizable, high-resolution display showing everything from navigation maps to G-forces. Sporty luxury, the flat-bottomed, multifunction steering wheel feels perfect in your hands, often wrapped in Alcantara. You'll sink into the diamond-stitched RS Sport seats, which offer exceptional bolstering for spirited driving while remaining comfortable for long journeys. Carbon fiber inlays, aluminum accents, and available Nappa leather elevate the cabin's premium feel. Intuitive technology, the central MMI infotainment screen is seamlessly integrated, controlled by a rotary dial and buttons on the center console, or via voice commands. Features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system are often present, ensuring you're connected and entertained, even when you're not pushing the limits. The attention to detail, from the ambient lighting to the crisp haptics, speaks volumes about Audi's commitment to quality. Specifications. Engine, the heart of the beast. Under the sculpted hood lies the true star, a 2.9-liter TFSI V6 bi-turbo engine. This masterpiece of German engineering pumps out a staggering 450 horsepower and a colossal 600 Nm, available from a low 1900 RPM. This is a significant upgrade from the previous generation's V8, offering more torque and better fuel efficiency. Quattro all-wheel drive. Power is sent to all four wheels via Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, paired with an incredibly quick and smooth 8-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission. This combination allows the RS5 to launch from 0 to 100 km per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour, in a blistering 3.9 seconds. Dynamic handling. The RS5 isn't just about straight-line speed. It features an advanced RS Sport suspension, with optional dynamic ride control, DRC, which provides exceptional handling and composure. Large, powerful brakes ensure it stops as fast as it accelerates, and the Sport differential further enhances agility. Muscular dimensions. The Coupe's aggressive stance is defined by its wider wheel arches, massive air intakes, and distinctive RS styling. It has a length of approximately 4,723 mm, a width of 1,866 mm, and a height of 1,360 mm, giving it a commanding presence on the road. Despite its performance focus, it still offers a practical 465-liter boot space. Conclusion. The 2018 Audi RS5 Coupe is more than just a fast car, it's a meticulously engineered performance machine that doesn't sacrifice an ounce of luxury or daily usability. It's a statement, a thrill, and a technological marvel all rolled into one. If you're looking for a car that can dominate the track and cruise comfortably through the city, the 2018 RS5 Coupe demands your attention.